let's get straight to the point. I'm not gonna create any more tutorial Blender videos for quite some time now because of the fact that I'm not yet well rounded with it though. And I'm pretty sure most of you who are watching my tutorial vids will think that, oh, he's still a noob, so he can't actually create much more better than that though. So yeah, might as well stop creating tutorial videos for now because yeah, I'm still not yet professional enough to actually create tutorial vids though. So I'm gonna stop though, and instead I'm gonna promote my Instagram account though that I just created recently, and you can actually follow it though, and there you can actually see my models though, my recent models, and my recent animations though in Blender. And yeah, you can actually like it though or not. Comment, or yeah, there I would post my progress in Blender, and I hope that someday I'll be way more better though than my current self though. So yeah, so that's the purpose of this video, to tell you that yeah, I'm not gonna make any more of these Blender vids though for quite some time, until I am professional enough to actually make those. So yeah, and the Instagram account, it's on the description box below. You can check it out and yeah, follow. So yeah, hope you have a great day. See ya.